What is chic style and how can you get some of it? Stay tuned to find out. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50 who want to look and feel fabulous. And a special warm welcome if you're new here. Wow. Today is a really big one. I'm more than excited to be sharing chic styling tips for you ladies. I've got so many ideas to share with you, but there's such a lot involved in looking chic. So I've broken it down into 7 specific ways and tips for you to look chic. There's no exact foolproof recipe for being chic and looking chic, but this is pretty close. So I've got lots of chic looks for you and some gorgeous little pieces, which I know you're going to love. Now, tip number 6 is for those of you who want to get really creative and want something really exciting. And tip number 7 is as well, actually. I've included links for all my UK and my international friends in the video description underneath this video if you scroll down so that you can browse and shop easily. My selection is designed to give you style and shopping inspiration, fresh ideas, and to save you time. Now, we tend to think of being chic as something that a woman has or doesn't have. And we sometimes look at somebody and we think, oh, I could never look effortlessly chic like that. But you'd be wrong. Anyone can adopt these chic techniques and tips that I'm going to give you and really ramp up the chicness, if that's a word, of their look. So what is being chic? Let's break this down. Being chic is about being stylish, timeless, and sophisticated. And to be honest, anyone can do it. At our age, you could say that it is also a case of looking classy, elegant, and charming, but with a touch of pizzazz, sass, and sparkle. And it's often the little things that make a big difference to looking chic. So it could mean something like wearing a classy tailored jacket or a beautiful cashmere sweater with a casual pair of jeans, but then adding something slightly unexpected like a lovely pair of perhaps patent leather red loafers or a lovely sparkly bracelet. So when all these elements are combined in an outfit, we can look amazingly and fabulously chic. But where to start? Well, here is where my first tip to being chic comes in. Chic tip number 1, start with the right foundations. You've probably heard this before, but what are the right foundations? You need to get your basic staple items right. Choose timeless and classic every time for certain items, which I'm going to tell you. Firstly, choose timeless and classic for a blazer, such as this. Choose a classic black, or navy, or a cream one. The one that I'm wearing here and obviously in here as well is this beautiful classic black blazer. And the most similar one with gorgeous gold buttons is this one from Karen Millen, available UK and internationally as well. It's military, it's classic, it's smart. It's so classic that it's really chic. The second item that you should choose to be really classic and really timeless is this, a sweater. Choose good quality, always choose good quality, such as cashmere in neutral colours like black, beige, tan or grey. Another item that should be classic is a crisp white, good quality button-down shirt. Both a white cotton one and also a cream or white chiffon one too. And here is a really good example, like the one I'm wearing in this picture. With the ruching, it looks really pretty. Fresh, crisp, but it also has a little twist. Another item that should be classic is a great pair of trousers that are really beautifully tailored. And also a pair of preferably dark toned jeans which fit you superbly, are on trend in terms of shape, such as these beautiful Levi's ones here that I'm showing you. So these items should be in every woman's closet in a classic way. There may be a few others as well, but you know, you get the idea of the kinds of things to look for. Now you might say, that sounds really boring. I thought you said it would be full of pizzazz and sparkle. And you'd be right. This comes with how you choose to style these pieces and what you choose to wear with them. But I truly believe that you can't be really chic without good quality classic foundations. You know, it's like building a house. Unless you've got the foundations in perfectly correctly to begin with, everything else falls down. So you have your good quality classic foundations. Where do you go next? Style tip number 2 is select a classic minimal colour palette. There is nothing quite like a neutral colour palette to make a girl look classy and chic. And you may have noticed that in the list I've just given you about your classic items that you should have in your wardrobe, they were in neutral colours. So this is the basis that you need to work on to begin with. Colour comes later. Pops of colour come later, if you were wondering. You know, neutral colours are so versatile. They always pair well together, such as black and white, a personal favourite of mine. Black and beige, tan or taupe, this is a really sophisticated combination. And also navy and tan, which is slightly more unexpected, but just as sophisticated. And as well as those gorgeous, what I call near neutrals, such as khaki, burgundy, chestnut brown. And don't forget also animal prints are also classed as neutrals too. So let me show you this in action in an outfit. This is a beautiful silk camel coloured shirt. It's quite old, it's from Massimo Dutti, so I've actually sourced you a beautiful pecan shirt from Express, which is very similar, in fact even more beautiful than the one that I'm wearing for you. And I've teamed it with these gorgeous Karen Millen high-waisted trousers, very tailored, and again they come UK and international. I'll put both links for you. Okay, so we are really building up the chic look here, aren't we, ladies? So for my next tip, we're ramping it up even further. Tip number 3, the 3 colour rule. Now, once you've got your staple items in neutral colours, you're really on your way to looking classy and sophisticated and chic. Then remember that there is a 3 colour rule with styling your outfit. Generally, 3 colours is a maximum. You don't have to have 3. You can have 1 where you have a monochrome look with just different tones of the same colour, or you could have 2 colours as well, but definitely 3 is a maximum. So why 3 colours? Well, you could try experimenting if you like. Pop into your wardrobe area and put on 4 completely separate colours. And I'll bet you look in the mirror and you think, oh, that is way too much. So a maximum of 3 equals chic, and you can certainly add your pops of colour at this stage too. So we're looking pretty chic now, aren't we, ladies? Ready for my 4th chic styling tip, which is choose an area of your body to focus on. Now, you don't have to do this. This is a sort of an optional one, but what I'm aiming to do is to actually build in more individuality into your outfit. So if you want to, you can select a part of your body that you feel confident about, that you feel that you'd like to focus on more. So for example, the legs or maybe the lower arms. And what you would do is wear something, let's say a pair of beautiful cropped tailored trousers, slightly cropped, and some pretty little kitten heels or some ballerinas, which would of course draw the eye of the beholder down your legs to your really attractive part. Or you could choose a skirt or a dress that comes just below the knee. Never, little tip ladies, never above the knee. You never want to show naked skin of the knee because it's never as good when you get to our age. So you get the general idea. Okay, chic tip number 5. Good tailoring is everything. At our age, fit becomes increasingly important to look well turned out and to make the best of our body shape. So to be truly chic, your clothes need to fit well. The cut of the jacket, the cut of the trousers, all show whether you're really chic or not. So you need to select well-tailored items. For example, a well-tailored jacket or a blazer that's just thrown elegantly over a beautiful crisp shirt or a lovely jumper, which will give your whole look a lot more structure and therefore be more chic. Now, if you have difficulty sourcing yourself a really good fitting clothes, a really big tip for a chic and stylish lady is to get yourself a tailor. Find somebody that can do little amendments on your clothes as and when necessary. Something needs to be taken in, something needs to be taken out, but to ensure that things fit well on you. Now, I was given a lesson in this when years ago I used to live in Rome and I was buying a pair of trousers at Versus. I don't know if you've heard of them. They're the cheaper end of Versace, but even so, still beautiful. And the assistant said, oh, of course, we will sew up the pockets on the side of the trousers for you. And which is the first time that had happened, and I thought, that's amazing. And I looked at myself afterwards. I don't think I've ever looked so good in a pair of trousers. It just helped the whole line. So now, exciting chic tip number 6. Let's get creative with accessories. Ah, at last. Now we're getting to the fun part. Now, of course, there's so many exciting things here, ladies. Scarves, jewelry, shoes, bags. Oh, just bliss, isn't it? But let's start with jewelry. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you a bit of a tip. Generally speaking, and please don't hate me if you really love this, but generally speaking, it is not chic and stylish to wear chunky, big jewelry that's costume jewelry with lots of colour in it. It just isn't chic. Instead, what you need to do is err on the side of dainty and minimal, like the necklace that I'm wearing here, which you can see here, which is absolutely beautiful. This is Monica Vinader. Now, this is a lovely, lovely necklace. It's classic. It's got these lovely sort of rectangular shape. It's actually adjustable too, and it can go, so it can go much higher, or it can elongate down here. You can have it any length that you want. It's gold plated, really good quality, and it's a classic gold piece that will go with everything. Now, I have a special discount code for you ladies, because I've been thinking about you, as always, which is on my screen here and which I will link below too for you. So hunt that out, go onto my link and put in the code and you get 20% off anything from Monica Vinader. It's just the most fabulous collection. Now let's move on to scarves, ladies. You can make a real chic statement from scarves. Now let's start with this one. A chic way to wear a scarf is like this that you can see here. Around the neck, it can go with a jacket like the one I'm wearing it with, or with a lovely white button-down shirt. So sophisticated, and you know me, is animal print as well. Another real chic item that you have to have in your chic wardrobe are sunglasses, such as these ones. These are key on point cat eye sunglasses. I put UK and international link here for you. They are a major go-to to look chic. Sunglasses, particularly oversized and black, a bit like these ones here. They still have a ring of Jackie O about them, and they never seem to lose their chic appeal. You know, to be honest, once you put on a pair of sunglasses, you know, your whole outfit screams chic. I'm really chic, you know, and it elevates any look. Now I'm just going to touch on shoes lightly here as well. Obviously, every chic lady needs a fabulous pair of go-to shoes for a special occasion. But don't forget that the shoes that you wear on a daily basis are just as important, if not more so. Now, a good example are these black shoes that I'm wearing here from ASOS. Fairly cheap, about £35, UK and internationally available. Now, they've got a lot of twists on them that make them interesting, if you see here. They're not too high, they're very comfortable, and they're very classy and quite classic. But there's a touch of that Givenchy logo in the design on the top, don't you think? And I think this is a real go-to to look polished and put together. Chic tip number 7, a great bag. I mean, where do I start? I mean, I'm a major fan of bags, as I'm sure you are as well. I'm just addicted to so many of them. Now, there are two types really that are particularly trending now, but are chic and modern and quite classic at the same time. The first one is like this one from June. This is a beautiful neutral camel bag, really lovely, goes with everything. Again, one of those neutral colours. And here it is in black, which of course will go beautifully for the whole of the fall and winter. Or what about this one, which is this beautiful dark green? It's very structured, it's very smart, has a little bit of a padlock, and whilst it has these twists of interest, it's really classy. And the other type is a tote, such as this Vince Camuto animal tote, which is in this light tiger print, which I really love. Really practical totes. I'm a great fan of totes. You can just put your whole life into them, and they're really easy to carry around. So there you have it, ladies. I really hope that I've inspired you with some ideas on how to ramp up the chicness of your look. And you can see it's not so difficult. If you put a few of those little formulas into operation, you'll soon be looking really, really chic and classy. And of course, don't forget the links to all the items that I wear and the items that I show you in this video are in the video description below this video. So just scroll down, and I always put links for my UK and all my international friends. So I hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up under this video. I hope you have a really amazing day. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Bye.